This is the first customized necklace I got. Hello everyone, this is Mari the Explorer again. For today's video guys, we will do a review about this Yafeini custom jewelry, and this is I'm wearing now. The name there is Rietsch Mari. Rietsch is the name of my husband. Infinity Love. You can choose copper or 925 sterling silver. A personalized couple name necklace, adjustable by 16 up to 20 centimeter. So this costs $29.90. So that's in their website. So I choose this because I want to have a personalized necklace, personalized couple name necklace. So that's the name of my husband and my name, of course. So ito guys ay sinusuot ko na for a week. I'm wearing this for a week now. Kahit na ako ay matulog, ako ay maligo, when I'm taking a bath, I'm taking shower, I'm wearing this every day, even when I go out. And my friends and especially my husband notice this. Ang masasabi ko lang ay maganda ang product nila ayon sa aking na kita. After ng 7 days na pagsuot ko nito, na nakita ko na wala siyang pagbabago. Actually, may problema ako sa skin pag sumuot ako ng mga mumurahing mga jewelry. So, sabi ko, baka magkaroon ako ng allergic reaction pag isinuot ko ito. Kahit sa mga hikaw, sa mga, pag ako nagsuot ng mga, yung fashion lang na mumurahin, na mga hikaw, nagmamaga po siya. So, also my neck, pag iyan ay sinuotan mo ng mumurahing bagay, nagsusugat-sugat siya. Pero ito, yung materials niya ay napakaganda siguro dahil hindi man lang nagkaroon ng allergic reaction sa aking neck. Kahit na minsan namumula yung neck ko pag pag may problema talaga. Kahit sa mga lotion halimbawa na hindi hiyang, namumula po siya at nangangati. So, this one, I can say that even though this is not so expensive, pero nakita ko yung materials niya is very nice, skin friendly, tapos maganda yung pagkagawa, so fine. Hindi siya harmful sa skin. Pag di ba may mga kwentas na pag mo, hayaan mo sa skin mo ay nag-rub tapos nang hindi ka, you can feel uncomfortable. Pero this one, wala akong nararamdaman kahit na hindi ako hiyang magsuot ng ganitong chain na siya, medyo magaspang. Hindi ako hiyang sa ganon, pero wala akong nararamdaman kasi I'm using a fine chain. Pag ako po ay nagbumili ng mga jewelry, especially the chain, I choose the fine one. Yung hindi mo ma-feel na may nag-rub sa skin mo. Pero ito, kahit na hindi siya fine, pero maganda siya, skin friendly siya. So, I can say that this is very nice product, worth it para i-promote. So, maganda. I love it. You have nothing to worry if you have skin allergy. You have nothing to worry if your skin is so sensitive because it is very, very, very fine and skin friendly. What I got is Infinity Love sterling silver personalized couple name necklace, and this is adjustable. I want to show you. So here it is guys, look. If you want to adjust, if you have small neck, then you can do like this. For example, this. You can take this out if you want a shorter one. So this is very nice. And the lock is good. That's the lock. So this is adjustable. There's an extra chain here, a short extra chain here. If you want to wear it longer, then you can put this another extra how many inches? 2 inches more. So like me, because I have a, you know that I'm a little bit chubby, not little bit, but I'm chubby. So I need to put this extra one because I want to wear it longer until here. Oh, here it is. Super. So Yafeini, thank you so much for giving me this gift, and thank you for making my first customized necklace. I'm happy that it's my name and the name of my husband is there, and the design is infinity. So perfect. So guys, thank you so much for watching, and please don't forget to visit the link under my video in the description box. I will write there. I will put there the links that you need to click. The link of this necklace, also the link of this if you want to purchase like this one, because this is very nice. And also you can see there how to avail a discount using my link and using the code that I will share to you. Of course, because this is customized, you need to wait for until 3 weeks, I think. But I was surprised that after a week, I think I waited for just 12 days or 13 days. It is very nice because it has a extra cloth. This is the good thing, because this is a special cloth that you can use to clean your jewelry. What can you say about my necklace, Sean?
Yeah.
Sir Sean? Oh. My husband love it.
Yeah, agree. Really.
Thank you, Yafeini. Very nice. Thank you for watching, everyone. Thank you for the support, for always watching my videos. And I was amazed that there are people who loves my videos, although I don't know how to edit well. I'm trying my best. Hope you had fun. And thank you for my 17K subscribers. I don't even think that somebody will love my videos, that somebody will support my channel, because I did this channel just for me to release my what do you call this, because I'm suffering a depression, and this YouTube thing makes me feel great. And it's already a bonus for me that somebody supporting me, people out there, people, I don't know who you are, but I'm very thankful that you're always supporting my videos. Thank you so much, guys. I promise you that I will do my best to give you a very nice show that you will be contented. I can make you happy if you will watch my videos. Thank you so much, everyone. God bless, and please stay safe. Bye-bye.